In this video, we will see how we can install the Node-RED on our system. So the very first thing that you guys need in order to install the Node-RED in your system is Node.js. First, we need to install the Node.js, only then we will be able to install the Node-RED. So first thing is you need to go to this website, nodejs.org. Then you need to download this version. So I've already downloaded the Node.js, so I'm not going to download it again. Just open this Node.js installer and this will install the Node.js in your system. So it's computing the space requirements. As I've already installed the Node.js, so I don't have to install it again and again. So this is just a simple installer and you can install it by yourself by clicking on next. There is no big deal in this. So I'm just going to cancel this for now. I've already installed the Node.js, as you can see here. Node.js, it's already present here. Now the next step is you need to go and search for Node-RED in Windows. Here you will see this link, node-red.org. Just go to the first link and you will see a command here, npm install -g blah blah blah. You just need to copy this command. Then you need to go to your cmd and run it with administrator rights. Click yes, and you need to paste it there and hit enter. So this is going to take some time depending on your internet connection, and after the process is completed, you will have Node-RED running in your system. So this is going to take some time, so I'm just giving the recording a pause and then we'll continue when it is installed. Okay, so as you can see, it is completely installed in my system. Now in order to run the Node-RED, you need to type this command Node-RED start and hit the enter. So this will start your Node-RED in your command prompt. You just need to take care of one thing, that you should not close this instance command prompt. Okay, then you need to copy this IP HTTP 127.0.0.1.1880. You need to copy this with the complete port number, and then again you need to go to your web browser and simply you need to paste it down here and hit enter, and voila, welcome to Node-RED. So this is your flow area. Basically I've designed some flow diagram here, so don't worry about it, you will be seeing this completely blank. So this is how you can install the Node-RED on your system. So I will be instructing you regarding all these things, what these things are, but for now this is how you install the Node-RED, and let's see you in the next one.